Hello there everyone, welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to look at the best cryptocurrency projects that you can potentially buy in 2022 under the value of $1, and we're going to look at the price predictions at the end of the video for each of these particular currencies as well. I'm sure some of these you do know very well, but we're going to look and make this quite a quick video so you can get some juicy, valuable information in a quick succession. So before we do start, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and this is what we're going to crack on with. So these are the projects that we're looking at. We're looking at HBAR, XLM, Gala, Algorand and XRP, and we can see we got a current market cap valuation for each one, and we're going to reveal what the price prediction could be as well as the market cap at the end of the video. You can see, I mean, look at HBAR already from 169 million to 6.5 billion. That's literally a 5,000% increase. XLM 1.3 billion to 18 billion in 2021-22, and you can just see the trend, the exponential growth for each project. XRP 2020 went from 9 billion market cap to 131 billion market cap. That's over 1,000%. Algorand 200 million to 13.3 billion. So now we're looking ahead into the future as to why these coins are now under $1 that have also corrected from their market cap all-time high figures, which is this numbers right here. Right now the market cap is lower because we're in this bear phase, in this downtrend, but it does give us more insight and speculations as to what it could be in the years to come. So here we go. So coin number one is going to be Hedera smart contracts. Smart contracts done smarter. I think personally infrastructure is the tip of the spearhead for altcoins, DeFi, and just everything, because without it, nothing gets built, and these are the best platforms that we have to offer us today. Look at this. So transactions per second, Bitcoin 3, Ethereum 12, HBAR 10,000 plus. Gas fees, we all know about those. Ethereum, Bitcoin, very high gas fees. And HBAR, you're not even going to feel that. Like, you could do 100,000 transactions and maybe it's going to cost you $10. Transaction confirmations, 3 to 5 seconds with finality, and in terms of the energy consumption, extreme efficiency as well. So these are some of the key benefits HBAR does have to offer us over other crypto platforms. Checking out their Twitter page, see they've got 222,000 followers, and they've just started dabbling in with NFTs as well and doing some exciting things with Chainlink. So watch your space, HBAR can explode. We hop into some news here. We can see there's also got a $5 billion fund from HBAR. You can see the Hedera Governing Council, the group of diverse organizations responsible for stewarding the Hedera network, has announced the approval of a plan to allocate 10.7 billion HBAR. So that's a huge fund worth around $5 billion, which is going to go into the development of HBAR, improving their protocol, improving their mission, and overall just make the whole ecosystem stronger. So that's going to get definitely a place in the spotlight. 22 cents at the moment, 4.4 billion market cap, and when you zoom out, there's definitely space for growth in the long term. So that's definitely a strong hodl option, guys. The next one is XLM Stellar. So you're probably very familiar with this one as well. XLM, another infrastructure project. It's an open source network for storing and moving money. XLM for me is really cool because of its seamlessness. It gets a lot of volume and it's got a huge amount of operations on the actual protocol itself. Stellar makes money better. Stellar APIs and SDKs are ready to help you transform the world of finance, and the network currency connections could give even a small company the power and reach of international banks. So that's really cool as well. Stellar XLM trading at $0.21 at the moment, guys. Market cap of 5 billion. So it's one of our large caps, but it doesn't mean you should knock it off. It's definitely got big potential for the future. If we zoom right out and we just look at the market cap, we've gone for some big numbers up at $15 billion, and we've come all the way down to 1 billion. And from 1 billion, we've gone all the way back up to 15 billion. So it just shows you how XLM moves. It moves in very big impulses, very big waves. And because this is 2022, perhaps 4 billion is now the floor price for this particular project. So yeah, there's coin number 2, Stellar XLM. Really great project. And again, you can buy that on all exchanges. Toro is probably going to be my favorite one. Gala Games, NFT, Metaverse, This is a paradise for anyone that just loves to play games on crypto. You probably already know Gala, the way it's pumped massively. Whopping growth over the last few months. They've got a great community on Discord. Huge NFT space as well. I mean, look at this. And they've got so many different games on their platforms. I mean, always releasing new games. Lots of play to earn. Games varying from all styles, from dungeon crawlers to RPG to just fantasy and even just simple card games. So really, really exciting. Gala has a massive following of 338k followers on their Twitter, releasing news for you every single day with more exciting things coming out. So that's definitely a project that are looking to stick around in the long term. Ranked 64 at the moment, we can see 25 cents, $2 billion market cap. And when you zoom out once again, we've corrected from 5 billion. We're down to 2 billion, but we're holding this level. It could be a key undervaluation phase. And when you zoom out and look into the future, that's when, this when you make money in bear markets. Is when you hold for 2 to 3, 4, 5 years, the market will reward you. And it's also being, not afraid to take profits in the moments of euphoria and greed. Don't let that greed invalidate your logic. It's good to hold, but do take profits in tranches on the way up when you buy in these bear phases, just to protect yourself and allow for better entries in the future. The next project is Algorand, another infrastructure right here, guys. So we can see Algorand at the moment. It's crazy. There's 11,000 developers working on the blockchain. And why Algorand? Well, Algorand is really, really good. It's really good. Every token holder of at least one algo in their account can choose to participate, in which they can be randomly chosen or selected to propose and add new blockchains to the blocks. The more token one holds, the more likely it is to be chosen to vote. The participant in a consensus, one only needs to keep their algos in their official wallet and declare availability through a special transaction. In other words, it's called ongoing online. So it's a proof of stake project, and I think in the future this is still going to continue to grow. Lots of people always asking about, Algorand, what's going on with Algorand? Well, Algorand, it is down from, it's in a lull, it's down from 12 billion market cap to 5 billion. And if you zoom out, in May we came up, we came back down. Impulse, we've come back down. If you look even further back, in 2020, the market cap was under 1 billion. So that demonstrates once again the key growth for these particular big, large caps that happen over the long term, because these projects are here to stick around. They've got so much backing and funding. There's just no way they can go anywhere. Right, next, as you probably know, I'm going to say it because XRP, I'm not part of the XRP army, and I'm not ashamed if any of you are. You can admit it. I won't judge you. Well, XRP, it's still got the lawsuit pending, and it's hopefully going to finish in 2022. So why am I bullish? Well, it's a financial project, and it's something, people speculate and even believe banks could take over. As you see, 3+ seconds to send a payment. No other system in the entire world, banks, BACS, PayPal, any other payment system, I don't think can beat 3 seconds, 100% transparent, $0 in pre-funding. So do research on this project. It's absolutely incredible. And this is one that pretty much everyone in the crypto space knows about, XRP Ripple. Why am I bullish? Well, final verdict of Ripple, lawsuit settlement case to end in 2022. And if that does happen, basically it's going to create a massive surge, massive hype for XRP, and everyone's going to FOMO in. And zooming out again on the market cap, you see that we are down from 80 billion to 36 billion. So what happens every time is usually you find a floor higher than the previous bear market ceiling, and then you're going to create a big impulse for the next big bull run. And that just happens time and time again. Imagine buying XRP in 2016 when the market cap was 200 billion, and then you are able to sell it at a 64 billion market cap, or even over here. The problem is we saw the XRP lawsuit occur, and once we had those legal issues, that's when things went a bit downhill, got a bit sour for XRP. And even in those horrible moments, it proved to be a great accumulation zone when these projects are in their undervaluation phases. So the moment we've been waiting for, what are my predictions for the market caps and the price predictions? Well, I'm going to keep these as realistic as possible, because of course the returns are going to diminish. If you've got a 1.3 billion market cap, it's more likely to go to do a 10x to 13 billion, then 13 billion to 130 billion. So I'm going to keep this in mind and reveal this to you now. Well, here we go. So this is it. I think personally, H bar will go to 15 to 25 billion market cap with a price of 0.75 to $2. XLM will see a 30 to 50 billion market cap with a price going to around 1.5 to $2. Gala, we're going to see go from current price of 0.25 to $1 to $2 between a 7 and 15 billion market cap. Algorand, with a current market cap of, I can't remember what it was, but a 13.3 billion high with a current price of 0.86. We're certainly going to see a $1 to $3 Algorand in the next bull markets, guys. And of course, XRP, the beast, the one that is waiting to wake up, is a sleeping giant right now. It's already a giant, but it's going to become a bigger giant. We can see XRP, current high of the market cap was 131 billion. That is crazy. $0.83 price, and we're going to go to 250 to 500 billion market cap. Yeah, $1.5 to $5, guys, for the price prediction there. All of this does not consider the fully diluted market cap, so it depends how the supply is released, but these guys have great tokenomics. These projects have good tokenomics. Price predictions are all there. If you like this video, guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hop into the Discord down below. It's completely free to join. You can say hello to like-minded people, talk about DeFi, play to earn, anything you want, really, anything you want. And also hop into the Learn to Trade Telegram if you want some educational content and extra value added to your life. It's really, really interesting to see all the education here and all the webinars and much, much more. Thanks for viewing and take care, guys. Bye now.